So in this question we have to find out in which of the following order of hydration energy is correct. We are given by four options. We have to find out which one is correct option. So hydration energy decreases with the decrement in charge density of ion. Charge density of ion. So option number A, which says lithium. Lithium has small atomic radii and more charge density. And it has more charge density, whereas comparing it to cesium, which has large atomic radii and less charge density. Hence, option number 1, which says lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, and cesium is the correct option. Whereas lithium has higher hydration energy and cesium has lower. Thank you.